If your Chromebook won't boot and shows a screen like this, or this, you can still fix it, and I'll show you how in this video. You'll just need 3 things: a desktop or laptop, an internet connection, and a USB stick with at least 8 GB of storage. So let's get started. Open the Google Chrome browser on your computer and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Chrome Recovery and hit enter. Click on the search result called Chromebook Recovery Utility. This is a Chrome browser extension we'll use to download the ChromeOS and create a recovery USB stick. Click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. A window pops up confirming the extension has been added. There's no need to sign into Google Chrome if it asks you to for this to work. Just X out the window. Now click on the extension icon and then the Chrome Recovery Utility. Then click Get Started. To create the recovery USB stick, type in the model number for your Chromebook to find the right ChromeOS version. It's the number you see right here. You might not need to type in the full model number for it to find the right ChromeOS version. Once your model is found, make sure the model shown matches your Chromebook and then click Continue. Now plug in your USB stick if you haven't already. Make sure the USB stick you're using has no important data or files on it, because creating the recovery OS will wipe all the data currently on that USB stick. Once it detects your USB stick, select it from this menu here and then click Continue. It could take about 5 to 10 minutes for the process to complete, so sit back and relax while the Chromebook Recovery Utility downloads and writes the ChromeOS media to the USB stick. Once it completes successfully, you'll see the big green check mark. Click Done and remove the USB stick from your computer. Now plug in the USB stick to your Chromebook. It will recognize it automatically and start reinstalling the Chromebook OS. Keep in mind it will wipe the Chromebook back to factory settings like it was brand new. This process will take another 5 to 10 minutes depending on the Chromebook model. You can see that I'm using an adapter since I have a Chromebook tablet with only a USB-C port and my USB stick is only USB-A. Once it successfully completes, you'll get a green check mark. Remove the USB stick and the Chromebook will restart. Now you just need to add your Google account and log back in. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or issues, just let me know in the comments. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.